Hi everyone and welcome to What's Emily Making. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom Halloween swag with items from the Dollar Tree. I started by spray painting some magnolia leaves black. If you don't have magnolia or other foliage, just go ahead and use faux foliage. Next, I started to create the bow for the center of the swag. This is really easy. You just create 4 separate loops. I found this at the Dollar Tree in their Halloween section. When you're happy with your loops and they're equal in size, go ahead and just take some floral wire in the center and cinch it all together. Always remember to fluff your bows out. They look so much better. Next, I added in an orange sparkly skull bow. This purple curly ribbon I found in their regular wrapping section, and I cut off some of the curls and I added those around the skull bow. Next, I took this turquoise velvet ribbon and I cut it in half lengthwise. And down the center of the turquoise, I added this string of purple sequins. I made loops out of the turquoise and I added those in between each of the black loops. I secure everything with hot glue. For the form, I just use a pool noodle that I cut in half lengthwise and horizontally. I glued the bow to the center of the noodle, and then I'm going to take these individual black magnolia leaves and layer them on the noodle. I find that layering the leaves upside down and then right side up gives a little bit more texture. Next, I'm going to add these decorations just in between the layers of the leaves to give an illusion that it's really full. In this case, more is better. Complete this process on both sides of the bow. And there you have it, a custom swag that you can hang on any railing, on a door, fence post, really anywhere. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and hit that plus sign and give me a follow for more What's Emily Making. Bye, y'all.